Hi, welcome to Logic Coding. Web programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining code for websites, web applications, and mobile applications using various web programming languages. Various programming languages, frameworks, and technologies to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. Our goal to create functional, efficient, and user-friendly web applications that meets the needs of business and individuals. It involves creating it involves creating dynamic and interactive web experiences for user including front-end development, client-side development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js to create user interfaces and user experiences. Backend development. Server-side development using languages like PHP, Ruby, Python, and frameworks like Node.js, Django, and Ruby on Rails to handle logic database integration and API connectivity. Database management, designing, implementing, and managing database to store and retrieve data. Testing and debugging, ensuring web applications are stable, secure, and function as intended. Front-end languages are used to create user interfaces. They are HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, a standard markup language for creating web pages. Used to define structure and content of web pages. Consists of elements that wrap around content. Forms the backbone of a website, providing structure and content. Works with CSS and JavaScript to create dynamic web pages. Then CSS. CSS is an cascading style sheet used to style web pages and a styling language used to control layout and the appearance of web pages. Used to separate presentation forms and structure, control visual aspects like colors, fonts, spacing, alignments, responsive design, enhances user experience and the visual appeal of web pages. Then JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language for the web programming, used to add interactivity to web pages, controls dynamic effects, animations, and responses to user interactions, used for form validation, animation and effects, responsive design, dynamic updates, interactive web applications, runs on client-side and server-side systems. Here are the common backend languages. Java used for large-scale enterprise applications, Android app development, and web development. Python used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. Ruby used for web development, scripting, and system administration. PHP used for web development, server-side scripting, and content management systems. Go, developed by Google, used for building scalable and concurrent systems. Backend languages are used for server-side logic, database integration, API connectivity, authentication and authorization, data processing and storage, security and encryption. So guys, we are going to start web development class. Here, so you stay here and then we will start with HTML markup language and we take each languages. Thank you.